Why do 100% of humans sneeze? Let's uncover the science behind that achoo moment. Sneezing is your body's superhero response. When something irritates your nose, like dust or pollen, sensors in your nose send a quick SOS to your brain. Your brain then tells your body to expel the irritant. That's right, a sneeze at up to 100 miles per hour. Fun fact, sunlight can trigger sneezes in 1 out of 3 people. This is called the photic sneeze reflex. And if you think holding in a sneeze is safe, think again. It can actually hurt your eardrums. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's way of saying, "Get out of here, irritants, stay curious, and bless you."